Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf, and this is the second entry to my Fursuit production, also known as my wolf transformation, transforming into my persona. But yeah, I'm gonna be using ankle socks. I mean, yes, this is just the foot dummy, but with a sock over it. But I gotta tell you something. When I went to Walmart earlier today, well, it could even be the next day already, according to what time I'm filming this. But, it might even be midnight. But we're lopsided. What we're focusing on is this. I know you didn't come here just to hear me ramble about times. So let's explain the story. I went to Walmart, like I caught a bus, went to Walmart, and like the very first thing I do during the afternoon there is go to Subway, and did my business. I went over to the cloths and fabrics section, and they're out of fur. And I was like, no! And then I went over and found some fur pillows, and then I found what looked like the fur I needed, but it was rugs. But yeah, it was not a good day for fur. I don't even think they have the fluffy couch foam that I'm looking for to make these sock paws. I mean, I already have a hot glue gun, I already have scissors, I just need a needle and thread, and I would like to have an X-Acto knife. And, yeah. Again, this is just a tiny update. It's not anything major. It's just a foot. But, yeah, that's pretty much the video. If you want to see more content like this, like more specifically gaming vlogs, and even more of this, hit that like and subscribe button, and tap the bell to get notified of all new videos. All people of all kinds are welcome. Furry, weeaboo, homestucker, you name it. And this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you in the next session.